Did you know your arteries could be silently clogging right now with no warning signs? Most people have no idea that this slow, hidden process is happening inside them, sometimes for decades, until it suddenly becomes a life-threatening emergency. Our arteries are the vital highways of our bodies, and when they're under siege, the consequences can be devastating. This process, called atherosclerosis, is like pipes in your home slowly filling with gunk, except it's happening inside your body. Over time, the walls of your arteries become coated with sticky deposits, making it harder and harder for blood to flow freely. Just as clogged pipes can cause water to back up and damage your home, blocked arteries can wreak havoc on your health. Plaque, made of fat and cholesterol, builds up on artery walls, narrowing the vital highways that deliver blood from your heart to every organ. This buildup doesn't happen overnight. It's a gradual process, often fueled by years of unhealthy eating, lack of exercise, and other risk factors. As the plaque grows, it can eventually rupture, causing a blood clot that blocks the artery completely. When arteries get blocked, the results can be catastrophic. Heart attacks and strokes, two of the world's leading causes of death. These events strike suddenly, often without warning, and can change lives in an instant. The damage can be permanent, affecting not just the person, but their family and loved ones as well. Shockingly, this process can start early in life, not just in old age. Studies have shown that even children and teenagers can begin to develop the first signs of arterial plaque, especially if they eat poorly or don't get enough physical activity. The choices we make in our youth can echo throughout our lives. In fact, heart disease remains the #1 killer worldwide, and its impact is growing. Every family is touched by it in some way, whether through a parent, a friend, or a colleague. The statistics are sobering, but they also highlight the urgent need for awareness and action. Every few minutes, someone in the UK is hospitalized by a heart attack, a crisis that's largely preventable. These emergencies put immense strain on families and the healthcare system, but many could be avoided with better lifestyle choices and early intervention. Genetics play a role, but our daily choices, especially what we eat, have a huge impact. While you can't change your genes, you can control your habits. A diet high in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help protect your arteries, while processed foods and excess sugar do the opposite. Modern diets and sedentary lifestyles have created the perfect storm for artery damage. We spend more time sitting, eat more processed foods, and move less than ever before. This combination is a recipe for trouble, but it's not too late to make a change. But here's the good news. You have more control than you think. Small, consistent changes in your daily routine can make a big difference over time. Even simple steps, like choosing water over sugary drinks or taking a brisk walk, can help protect your arteries. By making informed choices, you can fight back against plaque and keep your arteries clear. Every healthy meal, every active day, and every positive decision adds up, building a stronger defense for your heart and your future. Don't wait for a crisis. Start protecting your heart today. Make your health a priority, set small goals, and celebrate your progress. Your future self will thank you. The power to change your future health is quite literally in your hands. Every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step towards a longer, happier life. The main culprit behind clogged arteries? The modern diet. Ultra-processed foods, loaded with sugar, unhealthy fats and salt, are everywhere, making it easy to overeat and hard to stay healthy. These foods fuel inflammation and damage artery walls, setting the stage for plaque to form. Saturated and trans fats, found in fried foods and processed meats, raise bad LDL cholesterol, the building block of artery-clogging plaque. Meanwhile, refined sugars and white flour spike blood sugar and worsen inflammation. We're also missing out on fiber and antioxidants from whole foods, which help protect our arteries. Chronic low-grade inflammation from this diet is a key driver of heart disease. Every processed snack or sugary drink adds up, slowly increasing your risk. Recognizing this connection is the first step to making better choices. Your daily food decisions matter more than you think. When faced with the reality of clogged arteries or the threat of heart disease, it's natural to want a quick and easy fix. Many people turn to popular trends, detoxes, juice cleanses, or so-called miracle supplements, hoping for a shortcut to better health. The shelves of health stores and supermarkets are filled with products that promise to cleanse your system or flush out toxins, and it's easy to be tempted by these claims, especially when you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious about your health. Juice cleanses, for example, are often marketed as a way to reset your body, but in reality, they're usually loaded with sugar and stripped of fiber, which your arteries desperately need. Despite the hype, these cleanses don't actually remove plaque or improve your heart health. Instead, they can leave you feeling hungry, tired, and even spike your blood sugar. Supplements can play a role in filling nutritional gaps, but they're no substitute for a balanced, healthy diet. Your body is designed to absorb nutrients most efficiently from real, whole foods, like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. Relying on pills or powders can give a false sense of security, while missing out on the powerful benefits of natural foods. Extreme diets that cut out all fats or major food groups might seem like a fast track to health, but they're not sustainable in the long run. In fact, your body needs healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil to function properly. Cutting these out can leave you feeling deprived, low on energy, and even put your health at risk. Unfortunately, many people wait until symptoms become severe before taking action, relying on medication or surgery as a last resort. This reactive approach can mean missing the opportunity to prevent problems before they start. While medical treatments like surgery and prescription drugs are life-saving and absolutely necessary in many cases, they don't address the root causes of artery problems. They treat the symptoms, not the underlying lifestyle factors that led to the issue. Relying solely on pills or procedures, without making meaningful changes to your daily habits, is like mopping up water from a leaking pipe without ever fixing the leak itself. The problem keeps coming back. The real solution lies in proactive daily choices, like eating nutritious meals, staying active, and managing stress. These habits build a strong foundation for lasting heart health. Sustainable habits, practiced consistently over time, always outperform quick fixes. They help you feel better, have more energy, and protect your arteries for years to come. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. By making small, positive changes today, you can avoid bigger problems tomorrow and enjoy a healthier, more vibrant life. So, what's a practical, science-backed habit for healthier arteries? Many people wonder if there's a simple step they can take each day to support their heart health, beyond just diet and exercise. The good news is, there is a daily ritual that's both easy and effective. Enter the Golden Elixir, a daily drink made from turmeric, black pepper, and warm water or milk. This vibrant beverage has been cherished for centuries in traditional medicine, and now modern science is catching up to its benefits. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It helps protect your cells from damage and supports your body's natural healing processes. Chronic inflammation is a key driver of plaque buildup in the arteries, which can lead to heart attacks and strokes. Curcumin works at the source, helping to reduce this inflammation and slow down the progression of arterial plaque. But curcumin alone isn't well absorbed by the body. That's where black pepper comes in. Its active ingredient, piperine, can boost curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%, making the drink far more effective. This simple drink leverages nature's synergy to support your arteries. By combining these ingredients, you're maximizing their health benefits in a way that's easy to incorporate into your daily life. Research shows curcumin can improve the lining of blood vessels known as the endothelium, which helps regulate blood pressure and prevent dangerous clots from forming. Of course, this drink isn't a magic bullet. It works best as part of a balanced lifestyle. Think of it as a smart, evidence-based addition to your daily routine, alongside healthy eating and regular movement. Easy to make, inexpensive, and delicious, this golden drink is a proactive step for heart health. You can whip it up in just a few minutes, and it's a comforting way to start or end your day. Make it part of your daily ritual, whether it's in the morning to energize you, or at night to help you unwind. Remember, small habits, repeated daily, can have a big impact over time. Consistency is key when it comes to supporting your arteries and overall well-being. Your arteries will thank you, and your future self will too. Let's break down how this golden drink protects your arteries. Curcumin's main power is fighting inflammation by blocking molecules that trigger it, creating a healthier environment inside your blood vessels. It's also a potent antioxidant, neutralizing free radicals that cause oxidative stress. Think of it as rust-proofing for your arteries. Oxidized LDL cholesterol is especially dangerous, and curcumin helps prevent this process. Studies show curcumin can lower bad LDL and triglycerides, and may even boost good HDL cholesterol. HDL acts like a cleanup crew, removing excess cholesterol from your arteries. Curcumin also improves the function of the endothelium, the crucial lining of your blood vessels. Healthy endothelium means better blood flow and lower risk of clots. This daily drink supports your arteries on multiple fronts. It's a simple way to reinforce your body's natural defenses. Making the golden elixir is quick and easy. Mix half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper into a mug of warm, not boiling water or milk. For a creamier version, use dairy or plant-based milk. Fats help absorb curcumin. Add ginger or cinnamon for extra flavor and health benefits. A touch of honey is optional. The key is consistency. Make it a daily habit, like brushing your teeth. The benefits build over time as you reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Find a recipe you enjoy so you'll stick with it. Just a few minutes a day is a powerful investment in your heart. Make it part of your morning or evening routine. Your future self will thank you. The golden elixir works best as part of a bigger heart-healthy lifestyle. Focus on real, whole foods. Fill your plate with colorful vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. Include healthy fats from oily fish, avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Cut back on ultra-processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. Aim for progress, not perfection. Every healthy meal counts. Move your body regularly. Even brisk walks add up. Find activities you enjoy so you'll keep moving. Manage stress with mindfulness, meditation, or time in nature. Prioritize good sleep. Your body repairs itself at night. If you smoke, quitting is the best thing you can do for your heart. Combine these habits with your daily drink for powerful protection. Your arteries and your whole body will benefit. Compared to juice cleanses or supplements, the golden elixir stands out. Juice cleanses are high in sugar and low in fiber. Bad news for your arteries. Supplements can help, but making the drink yourself ensures you get the crucial black pepper for absorption. The ritual of preparing and sipping the drink is a mindful act of self-care. Unlike restrictive diets, this is an addition, not a deprivation. It's easy to sustain and fits into any balanced lifestyle. Most importantly, it's proactive, helping prevent problems before they start. Statins and surgeries are for emergencies. This drink is for prevention. Take charge of your heart health every day. Empower yourself with this simple, effective habit. You now know the dangers of clogged arteries and the power of a simple daily habit. The science is clear. Turmeric and black pepper can help protect your heart. This isn't a fad or a complicated regimen. It's a warm, easy drink you can make in minutes. Think about your future. More energy, more time with loved ones, more life. Every healthy choice you make today builds a stronger tomorrow. Don't wait. Start now. Check your kitchen for turmeric and black pepper, or pick them up on your next shop. Mix your first cup, and make it a daily ritual. Take control of your heart health. Your heart works for you every day. Do something for it in return. Prevention starts with one simple step. Make the choice today. Your heart will thank you for years to come.